So now you can chat in our paid group, paid Telegram group. Good afternoon. तो की शाफ्ट में लगाया जाएगा. सो व्हाट इज द की? लिखो इसमें, इट इज ए मशीन एलिमेंट keys are not permanent connection. Keys are not permanent connection. You can easily detach it. Yes or no? So simply, what is the diagram for shaft and key? Let's say this is the shaft. डायग्राम थोड़ा बड़ा बनाना, ठीक है. This is the shaft and on the shaft keyway is provided. Keyway is provided. So when keyway is provided, there will be space here like this. This is the keyway or keyhole on the shaft. Keyway or keyhole on the shaft. Similar keyway and keyhole will be provided on other element like hub, and it is like this, let's say. Yes. Okay. And this is actually on the hub side. This is your hub. So here, this is the shaft. Okay. Now, on the shaft, this is the hub, and there is key provided on it. This is the key. Key is provided. So here, when torque will be provided on the shaft like this, or motion will be provided on the shaft like this, shaft will try to rotate like this. So shaft here will push the key. Shaft here will push the key. So here contact will come. Contact will start. Yes or no? So when contact will start here, shaft will push the key this side. So equal and opposite will be acting on the shaft. Clear? So here force P will be acting on both shaft and the key. So let's say this is PP force. PP force. Now, due to this force P, key will try to go right. So it will come in contact with the hub here. So force on the hub and key will be again like this. PP. Clear hai? So here, due to this P, hub will also start rotating in this direction. With same omega, because slipping chances are not there. So torque and omega will be transferred on the hub. Yes or no? Now, here, if you see, for the key, this P and this P are making couple. So there will be now tendency of rotation of key this side. So this end of the key will go in contact with the hub here. So here contact will be again there. So here key will push the hub upward and hub will push the key downward. So let's say here another force will act. Another force will act. P dash. So P dash on the hub and P dash on the key will be like this. P dash on the hub and P dash on the key will be like this. And key is rotating like this. So here contact will come this side. So P dash on the key and P dash on the hub will come like this. Shaft. Okay. Picture is clear. So here P and P dash will be equal for the square key. Because if this dimension and this dimension are same, then you can say P dash will be equal to P for square key. For square key. Next thing, the exact location of this P and P dash will not be known. The exact location of this P and P dash will not be known. Here, for square key, moment P into A will be equal to P dash into A. Let's say this is the cross section of key. Side is A and A. So P will be equal to P dash. Okay. P equal to P dash. Okay. So here the power is transferred with the help of shear strength of the key, and location of these P and P dash are not known, so there will be some resultant of these P and P dash. So location is not known exact. So for the simplicity, it is assumed like on lower surface for the key P is like this and upper surface P on this like this. So shearing chances for the key will be there. Clear or not? तो ये डायग्राम बना दिया हो, P इक्वल टू P डैश समझ गए हो तो राइट डाउन जय हिंद. आगे बढ़ते हैं फिर. डन. ओके. तो यहां पे लिखो अब when key is force fit, but let motion, that's it. Next. Between shaft and hub, ये लिख दो. Between shaft and hub. Next. When shaft start rotating, it applies force on the key, which further transfer it on hub. So hub also starts rotating. Start. The main function of key to transfer the motion and power from one element to other. One element to other. Next. In case of other without slipping. Without slipping. In case of spline keys or spline shaft, axial relative motion is allowed. axial relative motion is allowed. Allowed. In case of feeder keys, partial axial relative motion is allowed. Partial axial relative motion is allowed. Next, keys are generally made up of plain carbon steel. Plain carbon steel. Next, keyways or keyholes are responsible for stress concentration. Stress concentration. So, strength of shaft reduces. Due to which high factor of safety is used. Due to which high factor of safety is used. क्लियर हो गए सारे पॉइंट? All points are clear up to this.